Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a challenge. I'm going to do this 2 minute challenge of really easy exercise. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can burn a lot of belly fat by doing something really simple. And I have an outfit that I'm going to wear because I'm going to this wedding and I want to fit into this outfit. So that is why I'm doing this challenge. And I'm going to show you guys the entire process. So let's start with taking a measurement of my waist. All right, this exercise is supposed to burn a lot of the fat around here. So let's see how big my waist is at the moment. And then after 7 days, after doing it every day for 7 days, only about 2 minutes. It's a 2 minute workout, really. Doesn't take that long. But you do it every single day for about 7 days. You should see results, okay? So let's measure me and see how much or how big my waist is. So at the moment, my waistline is 32. So I have a 33-inch waist. 33-inch waist. All right, as you can see, my waist is 33 inches. So after doing this every single day for 7 days, I should see results and my waist should be smaller and then I can fit into my dress. So you guys are probably wondering, okay, so you can't just do that and lose weight. How are you gonna eat, right? Yes, dieting is part of the weight loss, program that you have to maintain your body weight by eating right as well as doing the exercises. So I am going to show you guys what I'm eating the whole week for breakfast, for lunch, and dinner. All right, and in between, I'll show you the whole thing that I'm eating so that you can see how you can achieve the same result. Okay, and you have to wait until the end so you can see the result. Okay, because I'm going to show you the result of me doing this for 7 days. And then I'm going to remeasure my waist at the end and show you how much I've lost. And I'm going to show you also the dress that I am, trying to fit into. All right. So stay tuned and, push the subscribe button and subscribe so you can see more fat burning exercises. All right. Let's get started. So this is basically, like I said, it's very simple. So we're going to get on our knees and get on your hands, and it's a breathing exercise. So we're just going to take a deep breath and then release, and we will hold the deep breath for about 10 counts. All right, and then we'll release it and we'll do it again for about 2 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Take a deep breath. Just inhale a lot of air and suck in your stomach. All right, so let's go. And you release and arch your back. You do it again. And you release and exhale again. Exhale, arch your back again. Release, arch your back again. Release and arch your back. Again. Release. Exhale. Arch your back. Release. Deep breath. Suck it in. Okay, guys, it's really as simple as that. So I will show you guys what the results are, okay? After doing it every single day for 7 days. Here are the results. Okay. So I'm gonna remeasure myself and show you guys how far. So guys, I am back. Here is the result of my challenge, my 7-day challenge to lose belly fat and fat around my waist. Okay, so my waistline, I started with 33 inches, and then now I just measured, I have a 32.5-inch waist. So that means I lost a half an inch. So that is progress. So that's the point, is to trim it, you know, remove some of the excess weight around the waist so that when you put on your clothes, they look nice and, you know, right, like that. So yeah. So guys, here are some of the things that I ate the whole week, okay? So yeah, you can still pretty much eat, you know, what you like to eat. You just have to eat in moderation, okay? So I still got to eat all the things that I like. So guys, here is the dress that I was trying to fit into. It's a little loose now because my waist is really trimmed. So I can use some adjustment. I can tighten it up a little bit because I did actually lose some waist weight. You see? I lost some weight here. So I can adjust this dress now, right? Before, this dress was a little tight on me. Now, look at all this extra fabric I have here. See? I mean, I can still wear it like this and think it will look fine, but it does feel loose. It does feel loose. I can tighten it up. Right? You see that? Right. So it did work. My 7-day challenge worked. So y'all should try it. I think it's worth it. Right? You just gotta eat the right things and, you know, do a simple exercise and you're good to go. All right? All right. Thanks for watching and see you next time. All right. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe. All right? Hit that subscribe button and subscribe so you can see more fat burning exercises. All right? Bye-bye.